Господи, Боже мой!
On the morning of July 30th, 2025, the earth under Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula trembled violently. A massive earthquake, registering 7.5 on the Richter scale, struck off the eastern coast, deep beneath the Pacific Ocean. This wasn't just another tremor, it was one of the strongest earthquakes the region has seen in recent years. The quake hit at around 7:15 a.m. local time, catching most people at home. Tremors were felt in cities like Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, shaking buildings and sending residents fleeing into the streets. For over 30 seconds, the ground rumbled, furniture crashed to the floor, and glass shattered in homes and shops. The epicenter was located about 200 kilometers offshore, at a depth of nearly 40 kilometers beneath the Earth's crust. Despite the distance, the shaking was strong enough to trigger landslides, crack highways, and disrupt power in several towns. Locals described it as a rolling wave under the ground that wouldn't stop. Kamchatka, part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, is no stranger to earthquakes. The intensity of this quake was alarming. Geologists say the earthquake was caused by a subduction zone movement, where one tectonic plate slides beneath another, a process known to produce megaquakes. Authorities quickly issued a tsunami warning for the surrounding coastal regions. Waves up to 1.2 meters were observed along parts of the Kamchatka coast within an hour of the quake. Luckily, no major tsunami hit populated areas. Thousands rushed to higher ground, abandoning vehicles and belongings behind. Emergency crews were immediately deployed. Local and national teams coordinated evacuations, assessed building damages, and treated the injured. At least 27 people were hospitalized, and over 150 structures were reported damaged, mostly older buildings. In remote fishing villages, entire docks were ripped apart, and boats were capsized by the violent water movement. Power outages affected more than 18,000 people, and communication lines were down for hours. Many residents spent the night in their cars or open areas, fearing aftershocks. And aftershocks did follow, over 30 in the next 24 hours.